Welcome to DLD Lights. DLD Lighting are manufacturers with more than 10 years of experiences and expertise on the outdoor and industrial lighting, covering 10,000 square meters factory, more than 10 skillful employees and 8 R&D staff. We mainly specialized on LED street lights, LED floodlight, LED tunnel light, LED stadium lights, solar street lights, solar flood lights, etc. We have mold workshop, die casting machine, finishing workshop, assembly line and variety testing equipment. And we focus on customization products with ODM and OME services. Welcome, visit us.